The classes of motor duty. Okay, motors usually in electric drives goes through various types of duties. Okay, means what, they will continuously operate, or for some time they operate, and other type they resting. Okay, means what, there are number of duties they can follow. Okay, according to Indian standard 47221 1968, it categorizes various load time variations encountered in practice into 8 standard class of motor duty in electric drives. Okay, there are 8 types of motor duties. First is the continuous duty. Second is the short time duty. Continuous duty means what? It operates continuously. Short time duty means what? It operates only for some time, and other is the rest time. Intermittent periodic duty means what? On off type duty is there. Intermittent periodic duty with starting means what? During start. Actually, these duties, all these duties uh, are considered, or they are categorized based on the temperature rise in the motor. Okay, whenever current flows through the motor, its temperature will rise. Okay, according to that temperature rise, these are the types of motor duties. Fourth is the intermittent periodic duty with starting means what, during starting also the temperature is increased. Okay, so starting has to be considered. Fifth is the intermittent periodic duty with starting and braking means what, braking has to be considered. During braking, current is increased, and because of that heating heating losses will appear. Okay, continuous duty. Okay, similarly, continuous duty with intermittent periodic loading, continuous duty with starting and braking, and finally is the continuous duty with periodic speed changes. Okay, we will see all these in detail. This A, B, C, D, E are the first 5 diagrams of or graphs of the temperature rise, and uh, for a given load torque characteristic, or for a given duty. Okay, these diagrams will be repeat once again in particular type of duty. Okay, first duty is the continuous type. Continuous duty means what? If you consider, if you observe here, I will use the pen. Okay, the load TL is the load torque. Okay, means what? Motor is subjected to continuous load. Okay, motor is running with continuous load. Okay, means what? The corresponding current. Okay, if we draw the current here, okay, the current will have, okay, I will draw current magnitude only. Okay, I am current magnitude. Okay, then in that case the current magnitude will be a constant. Okay, maybe the current is AC or DC. Okay, if the current is DC, the waveform will be like this. If the current is AC, then the magnitude will be this. Okay, I will drawing only magnitude or RMS value. Okay, if the maximum value of current, okay, or the current required to take that particular load is constant, then temperature of the machine will rise up to a particular highest temperature. Okay, after that okay, this temperature is known as theta saturated. Okay, beyond this temperature the machine will not be heated up. Okay, the temperature will be rise up to a particular value, that is theta saturated. Okay, means what, when the machine is loaded continuously like this, the temperature will rise and will settle a final value theta saturated. Okay, the same information is given here. Okay, the continuous duty denotes the motor operation at a constant load torque for a duration long enough. Okay, for the duration long enough for the motor temperature to reach a steady state value. Okay, so the machine is running for a time so that the final temperature will be settled. Okay, this duty is characterized by a constant motor loss. Okay, constant heating loss will be there. Okay, because the current is going to be constant. Okay, depending on the value of load torque. So according to Joule's law, the I square R losses will be the constant, and these losses will be appear as a heating losses. The examples of such type of duties are the paper mill drives. Okay, in paper mill, the motor is continuously running, or in compressors, conveyors. Okay, conveyors means what? Belt drives, you can say belt drive. But centrifugal pumps, fans, okay, are some examples of classes of motor drive. Fans means what? Fans in industry. Okay, those fans must be run continuously. Okay, are some example of classes of motor duty in electrical drives. Okay, this is the continuous duty. Okay, machine is subjected to continuous load, so the temperature will rise up to a particular value, that is theta saturated. Okay, second is the short time duty. Short time duty means what? The motor is subjected to a load, okay, only for a short time. Okay, only for a short time. Okay, this is the time duration for which there is a load. Means what? The temperature will rise, okay, when the load is there, and the machine and when the mode is disappeared, the temperature will be decreased. Okay, so this graph will be there. Okay, when there is a load, okay, when there is a load, the current will, large value of current will be flow through the machine, so that its temperature will increase. And when there is no load on the motor, the obviously the current value will decrease, so the corresponding heating losses will be reduced, so the temperature of the machine will decrease. Okay, means what? For a short time duty, such type of temperature curve, okay, temperature curve we will get. The same information is given here. In this, time of drive operation is considerably less, okay, than the heating time constant. Okay, than the heating time constant means what? This is the, this time is the operating time. Okay, or this is the operating time of the motor. At this instant, consider this instant is a T1 instant, the machine is unloaded. Okay, but this but at the same instant the temperature is not going to be settled to previous temperature. Okay, it will take some time to dissipate the heat. Okay, so they have uh, stated here that the time of drive operation is considerably less than the heating time constant. Okay, this time is very large as compared to the operating time of the motor, and the machine is allowed to cool off to ambient temperature before the motor is required to operate again. Okay, means what? The suppose the previous, okay, the temperature at the starting, suppose this is the 25 degrees centigrade temperature. Okay, uh, here the ideal graph is shown, but actually the temperature of the motor will be the equal to the temperature of the room. Okay, suppose it is a 25 degrees centigrade, and during the operation the temperature is rise up to 50 degrees centigrade. Okay, so for this such type of duty, the machine will be turned off or machine will be unloaded till the original temperature, that is 25 degrees centigrade, will be there in the motor. Okay, motor temperature will be again equal to 25 degrees centigrade. After that point, okay, after this point, the machine may again turn on. Okay, such type of duty is known as short time duty. In this operation, the machine can be overloaded until the temperature at the end of loading time reaches the permissible limit. Okay, this is what? Machine will be loaded, okay, up to a permissible limit. For suppose the permissible temperature limit is 50 degrees centigrade, then the machine will be loaded such that the temperature of the machine will be rise up to 50 degrees centigrade. Some examples are, okay, some examples are crane drives. Okay, means what? When the crane is loaded, its temperature of the motor driving the crane, its temperature will be increased. Okay, but for safety reason, that temperature must be limited to a permissible value. Okay, drives for household appliances. Okay, for example, suppose there is a automatic iron. Okay, iron means istri. Okay, automatic iron in the home. Okay, you can set what type of cloth you are ironing. Okay, suppose there is a cotton, then you will set uh, at the indication which shows the cotton. Okay, if the temperature is going beyond that particular temperature required to ironing the cotton, the iron will be automatically shut off. Okay, means what the such type, and it will be again turn on after some time. Okay, again turn on when the lowest, okay, or the original temperature will be set or will be there. Okay, so जे ओरिजिनल टेम्परेचर होतं तितकं टेम्परेचर झाल्यानंतरच पुन्हा ते ऑन होतं थोड्या वेळानंतर. Okay, next is the turning bridges. Okay, some bridges on the uh, on the river are there which can be lifted up or down. Okay, for example, if you seen the bridge on the Thames River in London. Okay, such type of is again a short time duty. Sluice gate drives. Okay, sluice gate drives. Okay, you can google it. Okay, these types of gates, okay, sluice gates are used on the short or on the uh, what you can on the dam. Okay, on the dam. Okay, dam gate is type of sluice gate. Okay, which for example, if you want to if the dam is overflown and if you want to uh, permit the flow of water to go into river, means what, we have to open that particular door. Okay, so means what, that door will be lifted up. Okay, and such type of drives are the sluice gate drives. Okay? You can google it. Next is the valve drives. Okay, valve opening and closing, valve drives. Okay, and many machine tool drives for position control. Okay, okay, for example, in car industry, okay, we have discussed what is the position control. Okay, this is the short time duty, means what, the temperature is increased up to a permissible value. Okay, theta permissible, and again when the maximum temperature permissible value is reached, the machine will be automatically turned off and its temperature will be drop up to a original temperature, original ambient temperature, room temperature. Next is the intermittent periodic duty. Okay, काय डाउट्स असतील तर विचारा, म्हणजे काय कळालं नाही तर पुन्हा सांगता येईल. त्याच्यास ज्यावेळी मॅक्झिमम प्रेझेंटी असेल त्यावेळेला थोडस हे घे, स्नॅपशॉट घे प्रेझेंटीचा. ओके, intermittent periodic duty. Next is the intermittent periodic duty. Intermittent means what, lot of times the machine will be turned on and off. Okay, means what, machine will be connected to load and after some time it is unloaded. Instead of turning and on and off, it is loaded and unloaded. Okay, for example, in this case, for this duration it is loaded. Okay, and for this duration it is unloaded. Okay, it is unloaded. Okay, and this will be repeated again and again, loaded, unloaded, loaded, unloaded. Okay, when the machine is loaded, its temperature will rise. Its temperature will be rise. Okay, suppose this is the room temperature, 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, and its temperature will be rise again. Okay, then after when it goes up to a permissible limit, okay, uh, or the temperature will be increased till there is a load, okay, and when again the machine is unloaded, the temperature will be drop, okay. Again when it is loaded, the temperature will be increased, okay. Means what, whenever there is load, the temperature will increase, and whenever there is no load, the temperature will decrease, okay. Means what, the temperature cycle will be like this, heat cycle will be like this, okay? Same information is given here. It consists of periodic duty, cycles, each consisting of period of running, okay, period of running at a constant load, okay. During this time it is running with a constant load, and a rest period, okay. This is the rest period, okay, there is no load. Neither the duration of running period is sufficient to raise the temperature to a steady state, okay. Means what, suppose the machine can withstand with a temperature equal to 70 degrees Celsius, but during intermittent periodic duty the temperature will not reach up to 70 degrees centigrade, okay. It will reach up to 50-60 degrees centigrade, and when there is no load, again the temperature will be rise, decrease. Nor that rest period is long enough for the machine to cool off to ambient temperature. Means what, the temperature will be decreased, but the original temperature equal to 25 degrees centigrade will not be there, okay. Means what, there may be temperature greater than 25 degrees centigrade. Means what, the temperature corresponding this to this point will be equal to maybe 27 degrees centigrade, 30 degrees Celsius, okay, maybe there. In these classes of motor duty in electric drives, heating of machine during starting and braking operation is negligible, okay. In such type of duties, okay, starting and braking, okay, temperature rise during starting and braking is neglected, okay. Some of the operations like pressing, okay, during pressing, okay, suppose the machine is started, okay, and when it is started it is unloaded, okay. During starting the machine is unloaded, so the temperature will not be increase that much, okay. And when it is loaded, means what, when there is a pressing operation is there, when there is a cutting operation is there, okay, or when there is a drilling operation is there, okay, in that case very high load, okay, will be there on the machine will feel very high load, okay. जर तुम्ही कधी तर ड्रिल करून पाहिला असेल, ओके, ड्रिल करताना तुम्हाला खूपच जास्त फोर्स त्या ठिकाणी द्यावा लागतो, ओके. ड्युरिंग ड्रिलिंग, ओके, मीन्स व्हॉट, ड्युरिंग लोडिंग there is a we can say that very high load on the machine, okay. And when the drilling operation is completed, we can feel that the drill is rotating without any obstruction, okay, without any load, okay. Means what, during starting the temperature will not be rise, okay, because it is started with no load, okay. During braking, okay, it will be turned on when there is no load, okay. Means what, during braking also there is no load on the that particular motor. Means what, the temperature rise during the braking is also very low, okay. Means what, we can neglect, okay, the temperature rise during starting and braking, okay. We have to consider only temperature rise during the loading condition. Next is the intermittent periodic duty with starting, okay. Okay, it is the intermittent periodic duty where the starting has to be considered, okay. The temperature rise during the starting has to be considered. In short, the machine is running with a loaded condition, we can see that, okay. During starting, okay, during starting the load is high, okay. Means what, the machine has to run with the load, also it has to take its own weight, okay. मशीन स्वतःचं वेट सुद्धा जे आहे ते त्याला कन्सिडर करावं लागेल. मीन्स व्हॉट, मशीन इज the current flowing through the machine during the starting will be very high. It means what, machine will feel high load during starting, and once a particular speed is reached, okay, uh, we can say that the starting torque requirement will be reduced, and the machine only has the load, okay. And after some time, okay, it is a intermittent duty, means what, after some time there is no load, okay. Means what, there are three phases. One is the starting phase, okay, this is the starting phase. Then second is the running phase, running with the load phase. And third is the rest phase, okay, this is the rest phase, okay. And this operation will be repeated number of times, means what, intermittently, okay. Means what, it is a periodic, but there is a rest period, therefore it is intermittent, okay. So the temperature rise during starting is very high, okay, because the current during the starting is high. So the temperature corresponding to the starting, okay, theta 1 will be higher, okay, will be higher as compared to the temperature during running, okay. Theta 1 will be greater than theta 2, okay, because during this time the machine has to take two types of torques. One is the load torque and second is the motor starting torque, okay. And when the starting phase is over, the machine is only running with the load, okay, means what, the temperature will somewhat decrease, okay. And when there is a rest period, okay, the machine temperature will drop significantly, okay. And again, when the machine is during starting phase, again the temperature will be rise, and when starting phase over, the temperature will decrease, okay. Means what, is running with only with load. And again, when there is rest period, the temperature will drop significantly, okay. The same information is given here. This is the intermittent periodic duty, where heat losses during starting cannot be ignored. We have to consider those. Thus, it consists of a period of starting, a period of constant load, and a rest period. With operating and rest periods being too short, okay, in this case also the operating and rest period is short, so respective steady state temperatures will not be attained, okay. Okay, being too short for the respective steady state temperature to be attained, means what, it is not going to be attained, okay. Means what, the in same in the intermittent periodic duty also, in this case the maximum temperature, okay, theta 1 will not be, okay, which is less than whatever the maximum temperature which machine can handle, okay, it is less than theta max, okay. Also, the minimum temperature theta 1, suppose the original ambient temperature is suppose theta 3, and when first cycle of operation is over, suppose the temperature theta 4, the theta 4 will be somewhat greater than theta 3. Is what, the ambient temperature will not be raised, minimum temperature will not be reached. In this duty, heating of machine during braking is considered to be negligible, okay, because there is a rest period, and if you want to break the machine, it will be happen during the rest period only, okay. This is what, the temperature rise during braking can be neglected. And because of mechanical brakes, okay, the loads where intermittent periodic duty with starting is there, they uses mechanical brakes. Mechanical brakes are used for stopping, or the motor is allowed to stop due to its own friction, okay. Means what, during rest period, with in one case the mechanical brakes are applied to stop the machine, or in other case we have to wait until the speed is going to be zero, okay. Means what, there is no electric braking, Okay, either the mechanical brakes are there or we have to wait to machine to stop. Okay, means what, there is no electric braking, means what, the electric current, okay, associated with the electric braking is absent. Okay, so the heating losses associated with it will be absent. Okay, so we can neglect the braking losses or temperature rise during braking. The types are the again the same types as the intermittent periodic duty without starting. Same examples are metal cutting, drilling tools, okay, drives for forklift trucks. Forklift trucks. Okay, forklift trucks means uh, where the large malls are there. In storehouse of those malls, okay, there is a vehicle. Okay, vehicle is there which which is used to lift the uh, various equipments. Okay, you can google it, what is the forklift truck. Okay, uh, in such cases only during the lifting of a particular equipment, okay, it feels a load. Okay, and we have to lift that load with a starting mechanism. Okay, means what, starting torque is there. Okay, means what, lifting. And once it is lift up to a particular height, okay, just we have to move that particular equipment from one place to other place using that vehicle. Okay, that vehicle has a extension. Okay, extension like this. Okay, suppose this is a vehicle, this is a vehicle, then it has a particular extension like this. Okay, and this part is known as a fork. This type part is known as fork, and it is uses, okay, it is used to lift the particular equipment. Okay, such as the, these are the forklift trucks or mine hoist. Okay, in mine, okay, when suppose the hoist is at the underground, and the laborers working are there want to come up. Okay, the at starting the hoist is at rest position. When the uh, laborers are going in the hoist, okay, it will be turned on. Okay, means what, at there is a starting phase. Okay, to lift the those labors against gravity, also the weight of that particular hoist is there. Okay, means what, the starting with these two torques is there. Okay, once the lift or hoist get the particular speed, okay, it will not feel the uh, weight of itself. It will be only have the weight of the that particular labors. Okay, means what, it is has the starting phase and the running phase with load. Next is the intermittent periodic duty with starting and breaking. Okay, here we have to consider the breaking period. Okay, you can say that this is the starting phase. Okay, this is the uh, running phase, and this is the breaking phase. Okay, obviously during starting the temperature will increase. During the running, the temperature is will be increased. During braking also the temperature will be increased. So the approximate graph, okay, approximate graph will be like this. Okay, because as the current is higher in case of starting, okay, we can say that the starting current is greater, or starting current is greater than the running current. Okay, running current during running. Similarly, the braking current is greater than the current during the running. Okay, means what, during starting and during braking, the we can say that the temperature will rise. Okay, so they have drawn a approximate graph. Okay, means what, the temperature will rise. Okay, from a ambient temperature to a maximum allowable temperature. And when there is a rest period, the temperature will be again drop. Temperature will be again drop. Okay, the same information is given here. This is the intermittent periodic duty where heat losses during starting and braking cannot be ignored. Thus, it consists of a period of starting, a period of running, that is operation with a constant load, and braking period with a electrical braking and a rest period. Is what during such type of duty electrical brakings are employed. Okay, whenever there is electrical braking means what, the associated electric current is there, means what, associated heating losses are there and temperature will rise. During mechanical braking, the temperature of the motor will not increase, and a rest period is also there. With operating and rest periods being too short, again the rest period is too short for a respective steady state temperature to be attained. Okay, is what in this case also the steady state temperature will not be attained. Okay, suppose this the maximum attained temperature by the machine, the theta m will be less than theta saturation. Okay, theta saturation means what, the maximum temperature the machine can withstand. Okay, similarly the minimum temperature, okay, suppose the temperature at here is the theta 2 and the original temperature was the theta 1, again theta 1 is less than theta 2, the minimum temperature is also not be attained. Okay, the examples are billet mill drive, manipulator drive, ignored buggy drive, screw down mechanism, blooming mill. Okay, several machine tool drives for electric suburban trains, mine hoist. Okay, mine hoist example is given in the previous point also, and it is given here, but here the mine hoist is with electric braking. It is electrical braking, and in previous case that mine hoist was with mechanical brake. Okay, electric suburban trains. Okay, this example is easy to understand. Okay, suppose the you in Mumbai, okay, there are the electric locomotives are there at station. When the people are coming to the train, okay, uh, the after some time the train will be start. Okay, so in starting phase the load torque or the torque with the locomotive has to handle are the starting torque plus the torque related to weight of all those people. Okay, means what, the starting torque is very high. Okay, and once the train gets a particular speed, okay, the torque is only the torque related to the weight of the people. Okay, and when again the locomotive is has to be brake. Okay, it is brake with the using electric braking. Okay, for a fast and accurate response. Next type is the continuous duty with intermittent periodic loading. Okay, means what, there is no rest period. Okay, intermittent periodic loading without a rest is nothing but what, a continuous duty. Okay, it consists of a periodic duty cycles. Each consists of a period of running at a constant load and period of running at no load. Okay, means what, there is in intermittent what happens, the machine is running with a load and after some time there is a rest period. Okay, means what, the supply will be turned off, but in this case there is a load and there is no load. Okay, means what, the machine is always run with normal voltage across the excitation winding. Again, the load period and no load period being too short for the respective temperatures to be attained. Okay, means what, in this case, okay, the graph will be like this. The load torque will be the loaded when it is loaded. The graph will be like when it is unloaded. The motor torque is only there. Okay. Again, when it is loaded, the load will be there, load torque will be there, and when it is unloaded, the weight of the motor is only there. Okay, so what, the torque required to run the motor is only there. Okay, such type of torque graph is there, load torque graph is there. Obviously the temperature will, suppose this is the ambient temperature, the temperature will rise up to this point, okay, like this. And when there is no load, the temperature will decrease, okay. Sorry, this period is not there, okay. This is continuously will be like this, unloaded. I have to show like this. Rest period is not there. So for this case, the temperature will drop up to this point. Again, when it is loaded, the temperature will increase. Again, when there is no load, the temperature will decrease. Okay, such type of graph you will get. Okay, again in this case, the maximum temperature theta m will be less than theta saturation, and the minimum temperature